letter is this?
E.
That's right. And what letter is this?
E.
B.
E.
And Lulu, what letter is this?
S.
It's a G. And what letter is this?
A hammer.
That's a T. And what letter is this?
It's double.
It's H. And what letter is this?
A birthday.
Yeah.
Oink.
And what letter is this? Lulu, what letter is this?
A W.
That is right. It's a W. And what letter is this? Ooh, ooh, ah. Ellie, what letter is this?
Apple.
What letter is this?
Apple.
Yeah. Lulu, what letter is this?
It's X.
That's right. And what letter is this?
A blue.
It's K. What letter is this?
A D.
That's right. And what letter is this?
A do.
Q.